mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So what's your name?
Yes.
Good job. he said his whole name. But okay, so I am back with another wig review today, and this wig is brought to you by Unice Hair. They reached out to me to do a review on their headband wig that they have. So let's get right into the details. This is a 16-inch straight hair, human hair wig, straight 16-inch. It is the headband wig. In the box, it came with the wig cap, and it also came with this little pamphlet just talking about the hair and stuff like that. And also, there is a 10% coupon, so I will link that coupon down below. Okay, go sit down, baby.
You want to say
yep, go sit down and wait for Auntie to come. It did come with a headband. This is the headband that they sent. I'm just really not a fan of stuff like this. It's just not my cup of tea. But I am going to put it on for the sake of the video. So, of course, like usual, I have been wearing it. Okay. So what I'm actually going to do is wear it how I wore it yesterday. So this is what I did to customize it. So I parted my hair down the middle. Alright, so we're just going to part our hair. And my hairline is so weird right here. I don't know why. It's just always been like that. Like it just doesn't come down. So, I don't know. But, and then I'm just going to take my wax stick. Go like that. And then take my comb. And we're brushing it slanted going back. Like that. Slanted going back. Just like that. And then we're just going to take the wig cap and place it over it. Now with the baby hairs, I'm just going to take my edge brush. I already have some baby hairs right here, but I'm actually going to redo them. So we're just pushing some of that hair back into the hairline. But we're just brushing down the hair that we'll be using for our baby hairs. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel and I'm just gonna start swooping those baby hairs. So I'm gonna speed up this clip, y'all listen to the music, and that's that.
Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me.
Alright, so now that we have that on, I'm just going to take off this. And then I'm going to place the wig on my head. Now to get into the construction of the actual unit. So this is the construction of it. It has one comb right here that you would like get if you had a half wig. And it also has one in the back. But the one in the back is kind of pointless because I feel like this should be I feel like this part right here should be sewn to this part like that because it's like a big unnecessary gap. I'm gonna attach it just like that, and then we're just gonna apply the wig. I am going to use the comb just because just for the video. So what I do with this is I fold it back a little bit and then just push this forward like that. Okay, just like that. All right, so let me get my brush and brush it down. Oh shit. All right, so my flat iron is heated up and I'm just gonna do a few passes through it. What I noticed about it is that it's a lot of loose hairs on it, like untamed hair, like different lengths on it. Nothing too big, nothing too dramatic, but I didn't notice it. So I would say if you're a person that bothers you or you don't like it, one thing that I think that you could do, you could possibly well, not possibly, but you can take your wax stick and just kind of run it through the hair a little bit, just like this. Work it in there and then flat iron it. So then all those hairs are tamed with the wax stick. But you don't want to do it too much because the wax stick is meant to hold it down and make it stiff, so you don't want it to be too stiff, if you get what I'm saying. That is it for the install portion of it. I added some baby hairs and then I added the part, and then this is how it is. I'm going to add on the band that they gave me. So where is my, I'm just gonna pin my hair up so I can be able to put the band in the back.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you.
I know, like, my sister is on her way over here right now to get this wig because I told her she could have it. And I kind of don't want her to have it anymore because it looks cute AF with my makeup done and stuff. Like, it looks really, really cute. Oh my God, I'm mad. I'm kind of mad, but it is what it is. It's cool, it's cool. It's cool, y'all, it's cool. I can just get another one. I asked them to say, can y'all send me another one? Like, since I got a little clout. You know what I'm saying? But okay, enough about that. Let's get into the details of this actual unit. So of course you guys know that this unit came from Unice hair. It is a 16-inch headband wig. It is human hair. It's great for on the go. It's 150% density. I think that this is like 130% density. It is very, very lightweight. I wouldn't say 150, maybe 130 density, yeah. And maybe it seems like it's not a 150 density because it doesn't have the lace on it. I don't know, but anyway, so it is on Amazon. You can go to Amazon. I will have all the links and everything down below. Excuse me. It is on Amazon for $90.60. That's for the 16-inch, and then you can go all the way up to a 26-inch. The 26-inch is just $238. Woo! So yeah, they definitely taxing for this. And the shortest you can get is an 8-inch, and that would basically be a bob, like a short bob. I think that this unit is really good. The only thing I don't like about it is the little strands of different size hair in there, but it's okay. Construction's good. I would just say they need to work on how they place the headband in the back. Construction's good, no tangling, no shedding. It definitely does hold heat. I have not curled it, but I know that it will curl just fine. Like, I know that it will curl fine. There's no biggie about that. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this unit. Not much I can really say bad about it. I do love it. So I would definitely say it is definitely worth the money. Unice hair snap with that. They're coming back to back. Like, I'm seeing so many reviews on YouTube from Unice hair that it's ridiculous. Like, they were not playing with the lace shortage. They said, oh, it's a lace shortage. We got y'all. We got y'all. But I'm not going to be reviewing about 30 headband wigs. There's only so much I can do with a headband wig. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.